Why should you get vaccinated? Getting vaccinated is the easiest and surest way to avoid catching deadly childhood diseases like smallpox, polio, and measles. The effectivity of vaccines work on two levels: at the level of the person and at the level of the whole population. At the level of the person, vaccines induce immunity by introducing parts or the whole disease-causing bacteria or virus into the bloodstream. This is called your antigen. The antigen are bacteria or viruses that have been killed or severely weakened, so you won't get sick with them. The antigen is taken up by antigen-presenting cells, which present the antigen to B cells by attaching the antigen to the B cells' antibodies, or the proteins that bind specifically to antigens. This activates those B cells, so they multiply and secrete more antibodies to the bloodstream. These antibodies then tag the other antigens for destruction. Some of the activated B cells become memory cells that multiply again once it encounters the same antigen in the future, say when you acquire an actual infection. The speed of the response is faster and more intense in this subsequent exposure, creating a hurricane of antibodies in the bloodstream that effectively contain the infection. That's why you don't get sick. Now, at the population level, when enough number of people in the population are vaccinated and becomes immune to a certain disease, they prevent the further spread of infection to other more vulnerable people, creating what is called herd immunity. Ever since vaccination was invented, there had been a steep decline in cases of deadly childhood diseases. By now, smallpox had been completely eradicated. Polio is approaching that status at 99%, and other diseases are following the same suit. So if you ever think about not getting vaccinated because you're afraid of the needle, think again. An ounce of prevention weighs more than a pound of cure.